is a sphere. So I'm going to start a new document, and I want to start a standard part, so I click on standard IPT, and it'll give me a new window. I'm going to start my 2D sketch, and I'm always going to open a XY plane. To do a sphere, I'm going to draw a semicircle, and in order to draw a semicircle, I'm going to start off with a circle, click once, then add a dimension of 5 inches. Your circle will be nice and big. You can click on the front button so that you can see the whole thing. Now I want to add a line down the middle of that circle so that I can create my semicircle. So I'm just going to click and drag in this situation. You'll see that the distance is 5.527 and the degree is 90 degrees. It's very important that your degrees is at 90 degrees so you can make sure that's a straight line. That's going to be really important. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And it's okay that your line goes outside of, oops, I didn't create it, my bad. Click, drag, make sure it's at 90 degrees, and click again. There we go. Now, you'll see that my cursor wants to continue making lines, but I'm done. I only need one line. So I'm going to right-click and select Cancel. And it's only going to keep the first line that I created. Now, I need to trim out pieces of this. I need to cut them away. I only need a semicircle left. So I'm going to use my trim tool here in my ribbon. And I'm first going to trim the outside pieces of my line, the line that goes outside of my circle. And then I'm going to trim off one side of my circle. Now I'm done with my sketch, so I'm going to select Finish Sketch. Click my Home button so I can see my full semicircle. And instead of using Extrude, I'm going to use this tool called Revolve. Revolve, I want it to be full, and I want it to revolve around this axis here. So I click on this axis, and it will make my circle. And that's all you got to do to make a sphere. It's a pretty easy process, but if you got lost anywhere along the way, please rewind, rewatch, and recreate. Don't forget to color by using this option here in your quick access toolbar. And I want it to be gold, because why not? And I'm going to take a screenshot by using Control Print Screen and paste this picture of my sphere into my document so that I can turn it in and get credit.